Hello, this is Hans, the Dutch guy, with Much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent the months of the year. We will run through all of them once, and then each month individually. A lot of the months have that rolling R in it, the R. You don't really have to overpronounce it, but just try to get that R in there, the R. Another small challenge for most foreign speakers is the A sound. Just keep trying to get it right. A. 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 And of course, our famous like something is stuck in your throat. You'll get it. Alright, let's go through the months and then one by one. Here we go. Januari. Februari. Maart. April. Mei. Juni. Juli. Augustus. September. Oktober. November. December. Let's start with Januari. The U-A, U-A can be tricky, so let's slow it down a bit. Januari. 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 The emphasis is, as you can hear, on the second A. Januari. Ja-nu-a-ri. Januari. Het is vaak erg koud in januari. It is often very cold in January. Januari. Januari. Next up is Februari. Pretty much the same as with the previous month. Februari. Februari. Emphasis on the A again. Februari. 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 We gaan in februari skiën. We are going skiing in February. Februari. Maart is next. Not too complicated, aside maybe from the R, the R. You will barely hear the R in here. It is almost like a tiny J. Maart. If you want me to overpronounce it, this is what it will sound like. Maart. Maart. But hardly anyone says it like this. Maart. Ik heb een korte vakantie in maart. I have a short vacation in March. Maart. Then we have April. Here you will hear the R, the R, just a little more. And the emphasis is on the last syllable. April. 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 De tulpen bloeien in april. The tulips will bloom in April. 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 Mei is next. It has that ei sound. Ei. Mei. Mei. Het wordt wat warmer in mei. It is starting to warm up in May. Mei. Mei. Juni is our next month. Emphasis on the first syllable. Juni. 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 Mijn examen is in juni. I have my exams in June. juni. Next up, juli. As with the previous month, the emphasis is on the first syllable. Juli, juli, juli. Since juni and juli can sound the same in a conversation, some people like to pronounce juli as juli. So don't be alarmed if someone pronounces it like this, juli. They just want to make sure you have the correct month. But just in regular speak, we say juli. Juli. Ik ga in juli kamperen. I am going camping in July. Juli. Juli. Augustus is the next one. It has the ow sound in there. Ow. Also the g, just to make it a little challenge. Augustus. Augustus. The emphasis is on gus, the second syllable. Augustus. 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 Ik ben jarig in augustus. My birthday is in August. Augustus. Augustus. Next on our list is September. Don't forget the light R at the end. You don't have to overpronounce it, just a touch. September. September. The emphasis is on tem, as you can hear. September. 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 Ik ga in september met de trein naar Maastricht. I am taking the train to Maastricht in September. 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 Next in line is October, also with our famous Dutch R. October. October. With the emphasis on the second syllable, to. October. October. Oktober. Het wordt fris in oktober. It is starting to get chilly in October. October. November is the next month, also with the R at the end. November. And the emphasis on the second syllable. November. 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 Ik ga in november op reis. I'm going traveling in November. November. We close out the months with December. Again, that R at the end. Don't overpronounce it, just a bit of an R. December. As with the previous couple of months, the emphasis is here also on the second syllable. December. 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 December is een feestelijke maand. December is a festive month. December. December. And those are the months of the year pronounced in Dutch. Let's go through all of them one more time. Januari. Februari. Maart. April. Mei. juni, juli, augustus, september, oktober, november, december. I hope this video is helpful. You can help us by liking it and subscribing to our channel. And we have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!